Welcome to online learning. In this class we are going to talk about the transgenic animals production. So what you mean by the transgenic animals, how we can produce the transgenic animals, and also what are the applications of these transgenic animals. So we will discuss one by one. So transgenic animal production. What is this transgenic animal? The name itself suggests that if the animals they have a transgene, means the gene transferred from some other genome, such a animals we are going to call it as transgenic animals. I repeat once again, transgenic animals is defined as any animal's genome is having the transgene, that is which is the gene transferred from some other genome together, that we are going to call it as a transgene. Transgene plus animal equals to the transgene. Okay, so these transgenic animals, how they will be going to helpful for us? Say for example, one best example I will be going to give. Say for example, if we have a cow which is giving the 5 liter of milk, but that is not at all sufficient, and we are not happy with that. So how I can make it this same cow, instead of giving the 5 liter of milk, I have to get a 10 liter, like double the volume of that milk I have to increase. So what we will do, we will isolate a gene which is now related to this milk secretion. Then this gene will be going to modified. We will apply some basic principles of recombinant DNA technology, isolation of a gene, ligation of the gene with the vector, and the transformation of this vector. Later this we will be going to transfer to a particular animal, and that animal we are going to call it as a transgenic animal. Okay, so if you do this transgenic animals, like previously a normal cow or a buffalo, when you convert that into a transgenic animal by inserting the transgene in that genome, and it will be going to enhance to produce the milk production. So that is the advantage. The quality and quantity and nutritional value of that milk also rich, so we can achieve whatever the nutrition we want. So there are so many transgenic animals nowadays. The people researcher all are produced, and they have a its own importance. Say for example, transgenic cows are there, transgenic buffaloes are there, transgenic sheep are there, transgenic goats are there. Why? Because we want to increase the wool production. Okay, we want to increase the meat, we have to increase the milk. Say for example, we will take one more example. If a sheep is having the 20 kg, when you cut the goat or a sheep, we will get a 20 kg of meat, but it is not going to meet our demand, because we are a very populated country. The food supply, nutrition we have lacking with that, and we need more and more. Then what we will do is, we will apply the basic principles of genetic engineering, and we will transfer the gene to this sheep or goat, that we will be going to convert into the transgenic animals. Then instead of the 20 kg of the meat, now this goat or sheep, it will be going to have a 40 kg. When you cut the 40 kg or even more than 40 kg also, when you cut this goat or sheep more than 40 kg or double what the normal sheep or goat is there, that double the the quantity of the meat you are able to get it. This is what the advantages are in application of these transgenic animals. So we discussed about what you mean by the transgenic animals, what are the advantages of these transgenic animals, how we can produce the transgenic animals. Okay, so by micro injection methods are there, or even some gene transformation methods also there, by which we can produce the transgenic animals. So thank you.